Charles here from Goldenboient Entertainment for the Love of Money movie premiere here in Baltimore. We got this beautiful actress right here, girl. Tell them what's your name.
Aisha Finch, and I'm from Rated Love DC season 4.
And are you from DC?
I'm not originally from DC. The whole premise of the show is to date in DC, not to be a native of DC.
Okay, did you find love?
I don't know, tune in every Friday, 8, 7 Central on.
Is this your first red carpet event?
I worked red carpet, but now this is me probably walking.
So how is it?
360 lights,
yes, and you deserve it. Queen, I'm so excited for you. This is where you belong. So blessings to you, and I pray the most success, and I pray you found love.
Walter Maxfield Jones, Rated Love season 4.
I know you're from DC, right?
Yeah.
And I'm from DC as well. And I know you play with Hannah Parker.
Yeah.
And I know Mr. Anthony.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was like, I gotta get in with
Michael
him.
Stevenson on that.
Okay, yeah. So how was the playing the villain?
You know, I love playing her. For me, playing a villain is less thought process. Villains are very selfish. So, you have the thought process of the two heroes, like mine, like I want it now, I need it now, and you don't have those hypocrites.
I'm on O Network right now. I just finished up filming on there in a reality show.
And we got this bomb actor right here who was in a movie right now. What's going on, my guy? What's good? Introduce yourself and let everybody know who you are.
My name is Jason Mitchell. I play Greg in this film. He's a federal prosecutor, which is different from me. Nobody ever thought I was ever going to be.
Ooh, yeah, I stay away from them. How was it working with DC Young Fly?
Oh, that's my man. Me and DC, we hang together all the time. Like, yeah, that's my dude. We finally got some work. We got some more stuff on the way.
That's a funny dude. All right, what else you guys are coming up? Let us
I
know.
can't say just yet.
Is it a movie?
I can't say.
You can't give us a little hint.
Not yet, but it's coming.
I'm loving this jacket though.
Oh, thank you.
I'm loving this jacket. Yes,
Baltimore's on this Christmas.
yes, sir. I might have to buy that. Yes, sir. Just hilarious. What up, girl? So, what's going on? You came back to Baltimore, girl?
Yes, I did. I came for my friend's premiere. I ain't saying nothing. I ain't in the damn movie, but I'm gonna come and watch it.
No, they need to put you in the movie. Now, what you expect to see from the movie?
I honestly expect to see Jason doing nothing other than what he does, like regularly. He's a phenomenal actor. He's Young Fly, my pet dog. I love him. He's in the movie as well. Keith Sweat, Lisa Ray, Rotimi. I love Rotimi. That's my guy right there.
He cool.
He's a great actor.
Yeah.
And 50 Cent did a good job bringing him, birthing him into that.
Yes.
Because I love him. So I'm happy to see it.
I'm Jazzy J. I'm in the role of Ashley. I've been the daughter of Gigi. I'm a strong, confident young woman. Goes through a lot of stuff, but she doesn't allow that to define who she is. God is at the core of who she is. So, God just works through her. And I believe there's a few messages that hopefully a lot of people will be able to grasp from this film for sure.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen. All the time. Okay. Good love. Bless you, girl. Yes. God bless you, brother. Thank you so much. And I appreciate you. And I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much.
DC, stand up.